Managing your maintenance can be challenging. And as we're in the fourth industrial revolution, or Industry 4.0 as people like to call it, if you're not using data, you could be missing out. But what data should you collect? How do you get it? And then once you've got it, what do you do with it? You need a step-by-step plan to help you. Here's step number 1. Develop a strategy to meet your business objectives. Next, fix your fundamentals and figure out where technology can help you achieve the objectives. If you want to know more on how to implement them in detail, then in collaboration with the Manufacturing Skills Academy in Scotland, we're running a Managing Your Maintenance in Industry 4.0 course. So why not join us?